parents, we're going to do dressing skills today. I know, like, a lot of times you shouldn't work on dressing when you're in a rush to go somewhere, but pick a lazy Sunday morning where you don't have to go anywhere and practice. I would get all different types of shirts depending on what level. The easiest one is a knit shirt because it's very stretchy and it's easier to put on and work on buttoning. See, these aren't really small buttons, they're like medium-sized buttons, and if they're larger, it's easier to work on. And you can also color the button
like
holes.
this.
Yeah. I mean, you want to use shirts that you don't care about, like very old shirts.
So they know where to go.
Yeah. And you can number them so the child knows that this is the first button, this is the second, third. See how we numbered them? But we numbered them upside down so that when your child knows it looks right, the right side up for them. And we numbered them so that it matches on one side. If this is a 2, the buttonhole, this is number 2. That way they don't know. Sometimes when they're wearing it, they don't know which button goes to which hole. So start out with a stretchy fabric. Color the highlight of the buttonhole. Number them to match. This would be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And use something that you don't care about, old clothes, so that they can practice over and over again. Remember that boys' shirts are different from girls' shirts. That the boys' shirts, the buttons are on the right side and the buttonholes on the left, whereas a girl's shirt, it's opposite. And the buttons are on the left side and the buttonholes are on the right side, so that you're practicing on the same gender shirts.
You're practicing getting it on you and
getting it off. If your child has a hard time putting clothes on, practice with the table like this, with the upside down hoodie.
The hoodie would be facing your child, and then they would put 2 hands inside and then flip it over, and that's how they would get their jacket on.
If you don't want to do it this way, then just hold the shirt like this for them and have them practice this hand on the opposite side and then bring it over. But all it does is takes a lot of practice.
And then for zippers, you can highlight where they have to put the latch in. So this I did it with a little bit of whiteout, and this with the whiteout, so they know they have to match both of the whiteout pieces, and they have to put this through the white hole and then hold and then zip. So you can just use the regular whiteout and just kind of highlight where they have to latch.
And then to practice buckling, I would just get an old belt and then put it like this, the way as if they are wearing it, and it'll be like this, and you put it on the table until they can practice. It's hard to practice on your own because you're not seeing it, but if you put it on the table and use...
So everything, button, zipper, buckle, everything on the table first, and then on them.
And then they practice that like that. And then for shoe tying, what I do is so that they can relax. I use do it on the table first so that you can really show them how to do it. And I use 2 different laces. As you can see, I tied them kind of and taped them right here. And this helps a lot when you're teaching. And I say, make the number 11. Do you see the number 11? And then make the letter X by crossing the one colored over the other. And then you say which lace is under. And if they don't understand under, say lift the one that lifts the other one up. So this would be under, and because then it lifts the yellow. The purple is under because it lifts the yellow one up. If the yellow one was under, it would lift the purple one up. So that's how they know. and you say take the one that's under the tip, put it into the circle, and pull both. And that's how. Practice the knot. Do not go to the bow until they've mastered the knot. You keep practicing. Number 11, make an X. Which one is under? The one that lifts the other one up. Take it, put it into the hole, pull both laces. Use the same language. Keep doing it over and over until they master this. Once they master this, you can do it two ways. I don't know if you want to teach it the bunny rabbit way, where you make 2 loops, or if you want to make 1 loop and like loop it around.
Go around.
But you must
and then through the
decide
hole.
which way you want to do it,
Pull it out.
and stick to that method. A lot of times when you use the bunny lace method, they'll start making the loops way up here, and you say no, that's not going to work. You're going to have to make the loop close to the knot, and you can actually have them fold it right near the knot, and you can have them fold it right near the knot, and then pinch the bunny ears together, and the same language. Make an X, the one that's under and away from you, put it right through the hole and pull the loops. Always use the same language, and it takes a lot of practice and patience, but eventually after they do it many times, they will get it. I hope this video was helpful in teaching your children dressing skills. It takes a lot of patience. Thank you.